Hello and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. We're talking in this particular video about marriage petitions. Now, since 1986, there's been a lot of laws on the books regarding fraudulent marriages, marriages that are not bona fide, and they should be taken seriously because if someone gets married for fraud and tries to get the green card and is determined that they married for fraud, they will be barred for the rest of their lives from any immigration benefits, and the person whom they did this with, the U.S. citizen, can be prosecuted and put in prison. So it is a very serious matter to commit marriage fraud. Now, what are the items that are looked for, or the red flags for marriage fraud? Well, some are the large age differences between spouses. I mean, honestly, if the husband is 40 years older than the wife, that certainly raises a red flag. Or the woman is substantially older than the man. Just a reality that raises a red flag also. Immediate family members of one or both parties to the marriage are unaware of the marriage. It certainly raises the flag if the brother of the person who is wanting to get the green card didn't even know there was a marriage. Look and see if there have been formal documents that have been issued. Look and see if there's been joint documents in both of the names. See if there's been multiple foreign spouses. Look to see if the spouses are living apart and if there's a realistic reason. I mean, I get people who come into my office who are living apart, and I ask them why, and they go, well, it's closer to school. I go, well, that doesn't really make a lot of sense as to the bona fides of the marriage, because if it was a real marriage, then it wouldn't matter that the school was a little bit closer to the particular spouse. So lots of different things to look at when determining whether or not it is a bona fide marriage or not, and the seriousness of it needs to be taken into consideration as well. Okay, more in the coming videos.